What's up guys, good morning. It's 5 a.m. already and we are riding to somewhere which even I don't know where, but it's just we are riding. That's most important to us. So we are 4 bikes: Ninja 1000, ZX10, Ninja 400, then another ZX10 and then 6R. So we came here for videos and just to spend some time. We basically wanted to ride, so we just came here, and this is Expo Dubai, and now we are heading to some restaurant to eat. So we started riding at 3 a.m. and it's already 5:35 now. If you can see here, I'll show you 5:35, and now we are going towards some restaurant to have some food. Then we'll head towards the Kawasaki showroom because I want to get my bike service done. It's already what, 15,000, yeah, 14.2k already done. So this is my first, second or fourth service, which comes at 15,000. So the reason I'm doing at 14.2 because the last service which I did was on 9k instead of 10k. So this is also, I'll do it 14k. Shit, what was that? Something I'll close my visor. So early morning rides, I usually don't go to early morning rides because I cannot wake up, and so many buses. This is Ninja 400. His name is Ricardo. Such a nice guy. Behind me is Mo and his wife. So yeah, the fun of early morning rides is that it's so calm, empty, unnoisy, I would say. There's no noise in the city. And here's my Insta 360. Insta 360 going. So there are a lot of cameras. You cannot speed, and I will not speed for sure. So that is the camera. The limit is 120. So we can go up to 120, I believe. I'll show you the limit. Yeah, it's 100. So in the Y we can go 20 plus over the limit. So I'll just get myself close to this 360 so that I can get some shots, because I'm so much into videos, photos and all that. So that's the beauty of early mornings. No traffic, chill rides, few people, and a lot of energy in the morning that we usually have. I'm not sure about you guys, but I do have a lot of energy in the morning. But the problem with me is that I cannot wake up early morning. I would be able to not to sleep entire night rather than waking up early. So that's what I prefer usually. Let's see how chill we ride. Like, yeah, we know we have powerful bikes, but it's not mean to be using that full potential every time, right? It's good for track, not on the public roads. So that's the thing. Always wear full protection when you ride, because you never know guys doing. So this is like maybe second or third early morning ride since I got my bike, because I don't usually go, and I cannot go. I don't have the we don't have the capacity to go. So that's the thing. So I can put a cruise control on my bike. See, it will go like this. That's the benefit of putting a cruise control. It will go as it's a electronic cruise control, right? So I fix the speed 99 so I don't get the flash. Yeah, so that I don't think so that I don't add the flash speed radar. And another good thing of riding early morning is that this fresh air. We are heading towards, I'm not sure what what's this? Oh, that's beautiful desert you can see here. Such a nice desert. I'm not sure whether you can see this or no, but such a nice desert. And yeah guys, let me know how do you feel about my videos, what do you want to see. Just to give you more context, if you are new to my channel, I ride in Dubai, and I have ZX10R 2024 Kawasaki one. So yeah, I do pretty much chill rides every time. You won't see me or find me speeding on the roads, because I don't do for legal purpose. So here's 110 speed limit, so we can go up to 130, and at 131 we'll get the flash radar, and the fine is pretty much close to 600 dirhams, which is close to $180 something, and in INR it goes to 13,000 rupees for just one fine of a speed, and that too if you are just going less than 30 on top of the limit. So if I get a flash at say 140, I'll get 600 dirham fine. If I get a flash at say 180, I'll get 1,000 dirham of fine plus impound and lot of stuff.